Hello and welcome to another Do It All Yourself Guy video. Today's video is going to be a simple maintenance project. I have a 2008 Toyota Prius and I need to replace the cabin air filter in it. Its job is to basically filter out dust and particles out of the air from the outside of the car going into your car through your vents. When you run the air conditioner or your heater in the wintertime, the air going through is filtered through that cabin air filter. It's actually one of those things that are often forgotten. A lot of people don't really think about replacing them. So today, I'm going to show you how to do it on a 2008 Toyota Prius. It's a pretty simple task. It should take you 2 minutes. Let's get going. So the cabin air filter looks something like this. It's basically a fiber mesh that goes into a casing. Now, the reason why I like to use these HEPA filters, high efficiency particulate air, is that they are a lot more efficient in filtering out particles and dust. So on the back of this box, there's a good diagram here that kind of shows you a normal filter, a regular filter, and then HEPA filter. The HEPA filters here advertise being able to filter out 99.97% of dust and debris up to 0.3 microns. So because the filter fibers are a lot closer together, they're able to keep out a lot more dust than your regular cabin air filter. The other thing is these filters are actually not that much more expensive. They're about maybe $3 or $4 more than a regular filter. For just that much more money, you can get a much better filter that can actually last a little bit longer. So I'll leave a link below in case you want to purchase one for your vehicle. Also, these come in different sizes. The link below will show you if the filter is compatible with your exact year, make, and model. I'm doing this for a 2008 Toyota Prius, but this video is probably common to a lot of other vehicles that have a very simple installation, which is typically having the cabin air filter and the housing behind the glove compartment. So to get to your cabin air filter, you go through your glove compartment, go ahead and open it up. I still have my 2008 Toyota Prius user's manual. That's now almost an ancient artifact, but I keep this because you never know. The glove compartment is designed to be flexible. It's simply flexible plastic that can bend. So what we're going to do is simply release this lever right here by simply pushing on the side and getting it loose from the groove where it stays. And then we'll do the same exact thing on the other side. Just push, as you can see right there, plastic tab that goes into a groove on the side. Push that. And just like that, you can release the glove compartment housing. It should be flexible to drop farther down. So once you have these two plastic tabs on the side released and loose like that, the next phase, if you look right here, there is a lever that connects the glove compartment to another plastic tab on the inside. So you simply remove this, and then the whole glove compartment should come loose. And then you can simply remove it all together. The glove compartment has these tabs that sit at the bottom of the dashboard housing. Once you're in here, you will see a lot of wires that are in your glove compartment, but what we care about is this section right there. This right here houses your cabin air filter, and that's what we're interested in getting to today. So all you gotta do is remove the tab from the left and right and simply pull it. And as you do that, you'll see the cabin air filter that you already have, and you can easily replace it. So we'll pull this. As you can see, mine looks to be pretty dirty, so it's a good time to replace it. So here's a comparison between a brand new one and a previous used cabin air filter. As you can see, I do have quite a bit of dust and debris. Pretty easy to replace. Once you get to this point, you simply squeeze the old filter out, just like that. Here's the plastic housing, empty. The filters are rectangular, so there's only one correct way to install them. You just slide them in. There we go. Now we're ready to put the filter housing with the new cabin air filter back into its spot behind the glove compartment. So with the new cabin air filter installed, simply the filter housing back in the spot. And repeat the process to put the glove compartment back. So we'll take our glove compartment, put these tabs at the bottom where they go on the dashboard housing. You'll see that those tabs kind of push in, latch, just like that. Next thing, we'll push it up. We'll grab the lever on the right hand side of the glove compartment, and that's it right there where it goes. And next, we'll simply push the glove compartment, pushing the side tabs into their place. So just like that. And then the right side, make sure that the glove compartment is opening and closing as expected. And that's it. That's how you replace the cabin air filter on a 2008 Toyota Prius, and also lots of other Prius years, and also a lot of Toyotas, and also a lot of cars in general, which have the cabin air filter installed behind the glove compartment. So pretty simple maintenance project. Take you 3 minutes. You just have to know where to get to and what to do to replace it. I'm going to leave a link below for the air filter in case you're interested. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.